It is an ordinary day for the inhabitants of the Amazon. But this is all about to change. Because we're under the cruising route of a unique species, always pursuing new experiences. The bustle around shows us that something astounding is about to happen. The boundless guides of the sky have begun their journey. These special birds, seen in the Anatolian skies 90 years ago, can fly at 13,000 meters. They can attract curious stares with their magnificent red tails. They can cross vast oceans without flapping their 64-meter wings. Whether in one of the hottest deserts or cities covered with snow, you can witness this journey from anywhere in the world simply by looking up at the sky. But do not look away, because they're so fast. The flight paths of these magnificent creatures soar above most of the countries in the world. The Turkish bird, which first took wing on May 20th, 1933, has been flying into the future with persistence and confidence for precisely 90 years. Turkish Airlines is 90 years old.